Hey guys, today we're shooting with Kodak Gold 200 in medium format. I've never shot with Kodak Gold in medium format before, so I'm pretty excited to see what kind of results I get out of this. I'll be shooting with my Mamiya 645, and I actually went to a Toronto Analog Friends meetup in this video, and basically that's just a local film community. Honestly, it was really fun to kind of get to know everybody and to meet people who are also interested in the same hobby. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the pictures. So as we're waiting for more people to come and join the meetup, we were on this intersection of Shaw and Dundas, and I saw my first composition in front of this flower shop. This is the first ever photo on Kodak Gold 200 in medium format. I really like the tones here and how warm this film stock is. And you'll see me kind of running here, and that's because I kind of took a detour from the group, and so I didn't want to be left behind, so I was just kind of hurrying and finding other compositions here. I found a composition under this branch. I thought it framed the houses in the background and the people in the middle ground really nicely. So I walked around the park and I found this tightrope walker, and I thought it was a pretty interesting sight, so I tried my best to get him in focus and took a picture here. So I walked down the street and there was this yellow building, and these two red and blue cars caught my eye. So I just had to run over there because I just love photographing primary colors. So I met these two people, Sarah and Wendy. I thought their matching pink hair was really cute, and I wanted to take a portrait of them with the CN Tower in the back. They also have a film camera store, which I will link in the video. I wish I hadn't blurred the background out, but you know, it is what it is. I don't take many portraits, so I was kind of struggling here, but here I'm taking a picture of my cousin. So when we stopped at this bridge, I saw a dad and his son riding around on their bicycles, and I just loved how adventurous and playful they were, and I tried to take a picture of them here, but unfortunately I got them out of focus. Kodak Gold 200 is my go-to film when it comes to 35mm, so when it came out on medium format, I was pretty excited. I use Kodak Gold all the time for my everyday films. It's so affordable compared to all of the other film stocks around here. And it's the only film stock that I can get at my local store, which is Walmart. And so that's why it's just always been my go-to film, but it also creates beautifully rendered pictures. So looking at these medium format pictures that I shot on Gold 200, I really love the vibrancy of it compared to Portra, which really mutes the red and orange tones. But you can see here on Gold 200, it's way more emphasized, and I do prefer that. When it comes to portraits, I don't love the skin tones on Gold 200. In my opinion, I think it's a little bit too warm and it's not really true to life, but it's not really aimed for portraits anyways. Kodak Gold is great for capturing landscapes, indoor spaces, and everyday things. But obviously where Kodak Gold really shines is during sunny days where there's golden light, and can really utilize Kodak Gold's warm colors. But yeah, all in all, this is a super great film. I'm really glad that Kodak was able to bring us some more affordable film stocks, but I wish that they could make portraits a little more affordable. Definitely will be grabbing more of these rolls. They're the more affordable options, and it produces great images. So all in all, awesome film, and I can't wait to shoot more of it. Baby gold, big gold, so cute.